Hi friends, let me show you this new Expert Gardener drip irrigation kit that I bought for my home. It is a kit that comes with 134 pieces. You get all the accessories you need. First, you get a 250 feet tube. As you can see, I already opened it. And you get a lot of dripping accessories to connect them to the tube, to the main tube. You get all these kind of accessories, this kind of spikes, different watering accessories, so you can install everything yourself. And you also get this organization bucket, okay, where the accessories can be stored and the extra tubing can be stored also, okay. I open it because I am already trying to install it. As you can see, there is the tube. There's where my plants are going to be. This is the faucet where the water will come from, okay? So you install this. You start with this. Like that. And then you use all the accessories to water your plants in a better way, faster, and getting just enough water, the exact amount of water that you need for your plants, okay? So you get these kind of watering accessories, dripping, well, different kinds of, okay? Let's put it together and you'll see how nice it works. You get the pressure regulator, the hose thread adapter, some tees to connect the tubing to different, to go to different places, couplings, valve, plugs for the endings, a tool to punch and to cut everything, some stakes to put the tubing in the floor, nail clamps to fix the tubing where you need it, and the watering accessories like mist nozzle, drip nozzle, fountain nozzle, and line spray nozzle. So depending on the kind of plant and the amount of water that you need in that plant, those are the nozzles that you are going to use, okay? Mist, drip, fountain, line spray, okay? So let's open the water faucet and see how it works. Great. Here we have the system working with its different options for the kind of plant that you are watering, okay? So as you can see, easy to set up. You can hide the tubes in the mulch or the rocks that you are going to install as part of your landscape decoration. So I like it very much. You have your plants water every time you need it with an automatic watering device or manually, okay? You can bring the tubes from far away with different options, like making holes in the walls or bringing them through the mulch or rocks in your landscape. Thank you.